4 класс английский язык. Звездный английский домашнее задание. Урок 12, часть 1. Страница 26-27. English Starlight 4. Homework. Lesson number 12. Part number 1. Page number 26-27. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I'm so glad to meet you. Thank you. I'm glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 26. 26. Round up lessons. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Turtle, starfish, violin, drums, skiing, table tennis, basketball. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Turtle, starfish, violin, drums, skiing, table tennis, basketball. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Listen and point. Then sing and do. Послушайте и покажите. Затем спойте и выполните. The animals down in the ocean are having a wonderful time. The turtles are all playing tennis. And the seagulls are standing in line. We are having a wonderful time today. We are having a wonderful day. The animals down in the ocean are having a wonderful time. The dolphins are playing the piano. And the starfish are dancing in line. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 27. 27. Exercise number 3. Read the text and choose A, B or C. Прочитай тексты и выбери A, B или C. I'm in Italy. In this picture, look, I'm eating a big ice cream. Yummy. Laura. This is me in Germany. It's very cold, but I'm having fun. Look, I'm skiing. Alice. This is a photo of me at our school concert. I'm playing the violin. Tom. I'm in Germany. B. I'm playing music. C. It's very cold. B. I'm eating an ice cream. A. The answer. B. Я в Германии. C. Я играю музыку. B. Очень холодно. A. Я ем мороженое. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Draw, stick a picture. Describe it. Say where you are and what you are doing. Нарисуй или прикрепи картинку, опиши ее, расскажи, где ты и что ты делаешь. the answer. In this photo, I'm in Turkey. It's very hot there. I'm swimming in the sea with my dad. It's great, Kate. This is me in a camp. I'm having a wonderful time there. Look, I'm playing football. Peter. Fun time. Did you know? The national sport of Japan is sumo wrestling. Время веселиться. Ты знал? Национальный спорт Японии – борьба сумо. It's bad luck to wear yellow when you play tennis. Не повезет, когда носишь желтое, играя в теннис. Badminton comes from a sport in India called Puna. Бадминтон пришел из вида спорта в Индии под названием Пуна. An NBA basketball player is about 2.04 meters tall. Баскетбольный игрок НБА 2 метра 0,4 метра в высоту. A basketball goes further when it's hot than when it's cold. Баскетбольный мяч летит дальше, когда жарко, чем когда холодно. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is